Real people, real results, real profit. They said yes, and it paid off, literally. These are real people, no actors, just people who choose to believe in themselves and said yes to something new. Hi, I'm Holly. If you're wondering whether people actually make money doing this, here's your answer. Today, I want to introduce you to a few of the incredible people inside our community. They're moms, teachers, retirees, total beginners like me. And they all started right where you are, unsure, maybe skeptical, and wondering if this was just another online gimmick. It's not, because this isn't drop shipping or MLM or something where someone else profits more than you do. What we do is simple, digital business, 100% profit using automation. Most of us work about 2 hours a day or even less. And our results, well, you're about to see them. This model is ethical and scalable, and it's for people who want to change their story, no matter their age, experience, or background. So, if you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. Comment info below or go to my site. Watch the same video that started it all for me, because these stories aren't rare. They're just the beginning. Comment info or visit hollypringdailypay.com. Your story could be next.